We are a supplier of hollow metal doors and frames, mostly for the construction industry or maintenance industry. We make a lot of specialty items that you just can't go to a supplier and grab off the shelf, whether it be special sized doors, metal doors, or metal frames.
Yeah, tell me about this operation.
So over here is the manufacturing side, where we make all of our frames, metal frames for the most part, and doors. So that all happens, that starts here and flows its way around over that way. And when this area here, this is our fab shop. This is where we put a lot of frames together, like I was talking about earlier with the transom side light frames. They can get rather large, rather difficult. That's where all that is. And over here is basically where we just prime paint all of our parts that are being manufactured. And over here, when we complete orders, they go on our wall. I invoice them, people come get them, and they go out the door. I've been using it about 8 months now, and I find it pretty intuitive and easy to use. I think it manages what we do here very well. Mostly the sales, making estimates and turning those into customer orders. A lot of inventory, purchase orders, things of that nature. Oh boy, there's hundreds of line items that we use here. So we got a lot of things that we stock and a lot of components that we use that we have to order to make doors, frames, things like that. Yeah, so you'd start out with an estimate to the customer, depending on what they need, and just start building it line by line. Some things are inventoried, some things we have to manufacture. So basically, if you do a frame, there's probably about 3 components I have to use, 4 components. Take one each line, pricing comes out. Sometimes I have to adjust pricing depending on the specificity of what is being ordered. So I build through there, fill out any other information, PO, due dates, things of that nature, compose everything, check it, and do right through the system, do an email straight to the customer for their review. The service from you guys, the ERP, is really responsive and really good. I'm super happy with that. If I do come across an issue, whether it be small and there's nothing really major, I send out an email and I get a prompt response, and it usually gets fixed immediately within maybe a half hour or so, or faster. So can't say enough about the good service as far as that goes. Makes me happy. So great there, great job.